My name is Anna. I am 29 years old. I live in a small apartment in Berlin. I am a nurse. I work at a big hospital. I love my job because I like helping people. I wake up every day at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is open the window and look outside. Sometimes it is sunny, sometimes cloudy, and sometimes rainy. I check the weather on my phone. If it is cold, I wear a sweater and a coat. If it is hot, I wear a t-shirt and shorts. After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then I dry my hair and get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes because I walk a lot at the hospital. I wear blue trousers, a white shirt, and comfortable shoes. At 7 o'clock, I eat breakfast. I like eating toast with butter and jam. I drink coffee with a little milk. Sometimes I eat an egg and a banana. My favorite fruit is banana, but I also like apples and oranges. I leave home at 7:30 and walk to the bus stop. The bus comes at 7:45. I go to work by bus. The hospital is not far from my home. It takes 20 minutes. On the bus, I listen to music or read the news on my phone. I start work at 8 a.m. I help the doctors and take care of the patients. I give them medicine, check their temperature, and talk to them. Some patients are old and some are young. Some are happy, some are sad. I try to smile and be friendly to everyone. At 12:30, I have lunch. I eat in the hospital cafeteria. Today, I eat chicken, rice, and salad. I drink water. Sometimes I eat soup or pasta. I don't drink soda. I like eating healthy food. I finish work at 4 p.m. After work, I go to the supermarket. I buy vegetables, fruit, bread, milk, eggs, cheese, and sometimes chocolate. I also buy cleaning products for my home. I like shopping, but I don't like carrying heavy bags. When I go home, I take a short rest. I drink tea and sit on the sofa. I listen to music or call my sister. My sister lives in another city. She is a teacher. She teaches English in a high school. At 7 o'clock, I cook dinner. I usually cook something simple. Today, I cook pasta with tomato sauce and some salad. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. I also take out the garbage. In the evening, I relax. I watch a movie or read a book. I like romantic movies and comedies. I don't like action movies. I also enjoy reading magazines about travel and food. Sometimes I study English. I use an app on my phone. I learn new words and listen to short stories. I also write simple sentences in my notebook. Learning a language is not easy, but I practice every day. At 9:30, I get ready for bed. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and wear my pajamas. I write in my journal. I write about my day and my feelings. Then I turn off the light and go to sleep. I usually sleep at 10 o'clock. On Saturdays, I clean my apartment. I sweep the floor, vacuum the carpet, clean the bathroom, and do the laundry. I also water my plants and change the bed sheets. I like a clean and tidy home. On Sundays, I sometimes visit my parents. They live in a small village. We eat together and talk. My father is a farmer. My mother is a cook. They are kind and hard-working. I love them very much. I also enjoy going to the park. I walk, take photos, and sometimes feed the birds. I meet my friends there. We talk, laugh, and drink coffee. I like spending time with them. They are funny and helpful. My favorite color is green. My favorite number is 5. I don't have a car. I walk or take the bus. I don't have a pet now, but I want a cat. I think cats are cute and quiet. This is my simple life. I work, I study, I help people, and I enjoy small things. I am not rich, but I am happy.